Hello everyone. My name is Jason Alexander. I work at police officer. I work in patrol service. I patrol the streets in a police car. I respond to emergencies. I help citizens. I work 24 hours on and 24 hours off. I earn about 3,000 souls per month. My job is challenging and rewarding. I like helping people and serving my community. Thank you for listening.